Be making Halloween themed slime. Hey guys, this is Matilda Grace. Today I'm going to be making Halloween themed slime. And if you guys didn't know, I have a lot of stuff. And I got some snow, you can see all around. Okay, so if you guys haven't made Halloween slime, you can guys see. And I already made the slime, so you guys know. So let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to put some snow here. First I'm going to put these like sprinkle shiny things in. First, hey, what can we put in next? How about we put in these things? The little kitties, they're beautiful and cute. Different. What are they? They're witches. You see that? The witches on a broom. Cool. I like the kitties. They're really cute. And guys, in the video, you're going to try to find a hidden eyeball. Okay?
Okay.
And the scene. Okay. What do I want to put next? Now, I think I'm going to put next some eyeballs, which is going to be hidden in the scene. So I'm going to take one out. It's going to be hidden in the scene for later. Well, for whenever I want it to. There's pink eyeballs, there's green eyeballs, and blue eyeballs. There's a lot to slime under it. Now I'm going to put in some like greenish or bluish nail polish. You get it? It's the rhymes. Greenish, bluish, nail polish. I can't add too much. And you guys can do the same thing and make the same slime because this is all $1. Well, not the big glue. Some of it's not all dollars, but some of it is. So you can do the same thing. Doesn't the red look like blood? I said that weirdly. Doesn't the red nail polish look like blood? My slime looks so awesome. I'm gonna add some of this lipstick. Look how sparkly that is, guys. Now some of this. I'll put it on the back of the eyebrow. Right there, because I can't really see it in the frame. I got some blue to add in too. I'm gonna add some blue of it. Oh, there we go. Add the blue. I love blue. Blue's my favorite. Well, it's like a greenish blue. It's really pretty. Oh. Okay, that's done. Put in there. Okay, let me open this and take that stick out. I'm gonna do this after. And I'm gonna add not a lot of it. Okay guys. Say something to my sister. Go check out Cooking with Lou because she's gonna do a video of slime. I know it's Cooking with Lou, but she's just gonna do one video of slime. Okay. Now this blue, beautiful, love blue. Everybody out in the world should love blue. Blue is the most popular color in the whole world. What do I add next? this. Like this. Okay. And some purple. Did all the colors. There is some gone for my sister. I'll check out Olive all the time. I'm gonna put some of the leftover greens that she got. And some yellow. I like yellow. It's pretty. And it's like orange. Halloween. Just one more color this and then I'm done. Okay, done with that. Now I'm going to put in some of this boo stuff. It has boo on it. See? This is boo. Kind of see it? Hey guys, these are some of like the sprinkle Halloween things that I had. This is a witch flying on her broom.
They know.
And this is a B-O-O thing, and it spells boo, and it adds some of these cute little balls. There's like plastic inside of them. They're really cute. After this, I think I'm done. So I'm gonna add in some big ones now. It gets bigger and bigger each time. There's some big ones now. Okay guys, I'm ready to mix it up. guys remember, there's a hidden eyeball somewhere. Okay guys, I hope you liked my video. Tell me in the comments if you found the eyeball. Tell me where it was and everything. Make sure to subscribe. Now subscribe. A big subscribe. And not a thumbs up. A big thumbs up. And make sure to go check out Cooking with Lou. Make sure to go check out Olive all the time. Sing to theirs and click my bell and share so your friends can do the same thing, and go check out the 10 cousins so you can do the same thing there.